Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Ethernet doesn't have a valid IP configuration in Windows 10, 11. First method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type net sh space, winsock space, reset. Type net sh space, int space, ip space, reset. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapters, right-click Network Adapter, uninstall driver, after uninstall restart system. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet. Click Network Reset. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.